Hey everybody, before we get started with today's video, I want to go over the memberships again that are now on our Watt page instead of inside of the Discord server. The reason we changed this is because we can give out promo codes and we can offer different payment options or different types of discounts depending on how long you guys purchase the membership for. So everybody can get the free membership. It's just when you join the Discord group, you get notifications for our YouTube posts and our trading view updates. For the verified member, you get the verified badge and then access to our chat rooms. For the blue chip membership, which is going to be what most people are looking for, you're going to get access to my portfolio, any updates to it, any of my options trades, my earnings trades, and my earnings scores, any live stream that I have in there, as well as any tools or indicators that you guys might want to use so you can build your own strategies. Make sure you guys check that out. For the month of July, we're going to have 25% off. That's going to be with code JULY25. Use that at checkout. Thank you guys and enjoy the video. I wanted to make a really quick video today because NVIDIA has become the first company to hit a $4 trillion market cap after setting a new all-time high. The closing price was $162.88 a share with a high of $164.42. This video is going to be for showing the bullish and the bearish zones that I would personally use to enter any new trades that I might take. I'm going to start on the weekly time frame, and I am going to reference a lot more of the historical data, whereas yesterday on Bitcoin I didn't really jump too far back. Starting here, we're just going to find highs and lows to structure off. Here's a high that became a low. Same thing here. That's probably going to become a zone though. And then I want to look right here. We have this high, we have an opening, and then we have an opening as well. So I kind of want to mark that. It's probably going to be important. And we get this guy as well. It's a high. Drop down to the daily time frame. Let's see, can I make anything to a zone? I like this. Is it top, breakthrough, becomes the bottom. Same thing here, top, breakthrough, becomes the bottom, retest. Now for this one, we have top, rejection, top, rejection. Price drops all the way down here. This is where all the stocks dropped. And then we see it come back up and we finally break through, and this is when the new all-time highs were set. This level right here, we're going to delete. We're going to throw a zone on here so we can capture more price movement. Like that. And then we want to see where we can place it. I want to capture that. I want this little range. I want all these rejections. I want to try to get this rejection as well, but I could always just do that. Now right here, this zone is very close to this level. So we might just want to use them together. And if price ever came back down here, this would be an untradeable zone together. We wouldn't make it like that. We're going to extend it to be like that. We're not going to worry about that right now though, because price isn't near it. We're going to drop to a lower time frame. We want to get closer up here. Same thing here. This is a top, retest, breakthrough, retest, breakthrough. Now it becomes support. So we want to watch this. Just like that is how I would look at it. I'll mark right here. I'm going to make everything around level when I'm done. High, rejection, retest, rejection, retest, and breakthrough. Now we're at new all-time highs. Where price is currently at, remember we always label it as untradeable because we have to assume that we did not have an idea until we looked at the chart. Here's our untradeable zone. For the bearish one, we want to look where was the start of the bullish rally, because that's likely where a pullback can be seen. So right here we do have this bearish drop and then this huge pump until the new all-time highs. But I want to reference this as the breakthrough of the previous zone for our bearish target, if there is a bearish trend. Here's our sell zone. I'm going to round these out in just a second. And now we want to measure, because we have no historical data to go off of, because this is the first time prices reach this high, we're just going to measure roughly how big the bearish target is, 6.25. And we're going to do that same thing for the bullish, 6.25. We'll call it 173, and I'm going to call it 173 flat. There we go. That's our bullish target. 173. We'll do 173.5. That would make it more towards the 6.25 target. This level here, 163.30. That's fine with me. 163.30. It's going to be the high right here. 163.30. 240 and 80, 157.40, 157.40. It's going to be the bottom of this one. There we go. This guy's going to be, make it 75. And there we go. This is the buying area, this is my untradeable area, and this is my selling area. For my personal strategy, my indicator is telling me that the trends are bullish on other time frames. So I personally would never even enter a trade right here until I see all my lights here flash red. But this is just for people who want to use smaller time frame trends or momentum traders that want to get those quick and aggressive trades. Same thing as yesterday. I'm going to throw these little levels on here so you guys can see it easier for a final picture. And there we go. Typically I care only about round numbers, either ending in a 0 or a 5, which is what I did here. A lot of people like to do them in quarters, so if you want to make this 175.5, 163.25, and then these two are going to be okay. But this is just what I like to look at. This is typically how I would do it. I'll drop to a lower time frame so you guys can see a different type of picture. Try to get everything in here. So this is how the action is currently reacted to our levels. And we'll go to a higher one as well. There you guys go. I mainly look at the 4 hour, but it's always good to have a couple other perspectives. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope a lot of you had NVIDIA trades and long positions so you can capture some of this rally that's going on. Thank you once again, and make sure to check out our Discord group.